Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to you all in today's third online lecture of chapter number 2. And as you know already, the name of our chapter number 2 is Long and Short. Now today we revise some previous knowledge and then after we solve some word problem. Now let us see some previous knowledge about your word problem. Words we can use for the addition in word problem. Whenever we have to solve any of the word problem, we can use some words. Which are that words? Let us see. For the addition in a word problem, there are some words like add, more than, increase, altogether, total, etc. These all word represent in the word problem that in that word problem you have to do the addition. Now some other words that is represent the subtraction. We can use some of the word for the subtraction in the word problem like subtract, from, taken away, left, out of this, etc. These all are the words which represent the subtraction. To find out the answer of many things from one thing, we have to do the multiply, as we already studied this thing in chapter number 1, building with bricks. In that we studied unitary method, and in unitary method if we want to find out the answer of many things and from one thing, we have to do multiply. Then to find out the answer of one thing from many things, we have to do the division, we have to do divide. Let us see some word problem. Manish is 150 centimeter tall. His sister is 1 tall. Who is taller from both? Now you see, here they were given the height of Manish and his sister. And after that, they were asking who is taller. So in this, you have to do the comparison. And as we know already, whenever we have to do the comparison, in that we have to do subtraction. And after that, they were also asked by how much. You have to do the subtraction here. So let us see how. First, you have to draw one table. Write down one side centimeter, and this is the word problem. That's why you have to write down their statement also. The height of Manish is bigger. That's why we have to write down first of all 150 centimeter. This 150 centimeter is the height of Manish. Now we have to do subtraction. Subtraction what? His sister's height. And the height of his sister is 117 centimeter. This 117 is the height of his sister. Now you see here, is it possible 0 minus 7? Not possible. So just cut 0, write down 10. Now from 5 we have to borrow, and we have to borrow 4. So 10 minus 7, 3. 4 minus 1, 3, and 1 minus 1, 0. So this 33 centimeter, that is the difference between their height. Whose height? Manish's height and his sister's height. Therefore, we can say that Manish is taller from both. Both means here Manish and his sister is 33 centimeter. Let us see one another example. Suresh is 1 meter and 24 centimeter tall. Minal is 15 centimeter shorter than him. In this question, they were given the height of Suresh, and after that, they were not given the height of Minal. But one thing they were given, Minal is 15 centimeter shorter than him. So first, we have to find out the height of Minal. And then after, they are telling what is the total height of both of them. So let us see how we will solve. First, you have to convert the height of Suresh in centimeter only. So first convert 1 meter 24 centimeter. So as we know already, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 plus 24 is equal to 124 centimeter. After that, your next step to find out the height of Minal. How we can find out the height of Minal? So first you draw one table. Then after one side centimeter, another side statement. Then write down the height of Suresh. Height of Suresh is 124 centimeter. From this, just subtract Minal, not the Minal's height. Here they were telling that Minal is 15 centimeter shorter than him. So just subtract 15. Now see, 4 minus 5, is it possible? Not possible. So we borrow from 2. So 2 becomes 1 and 14, 4 becomes 14. So 14 minus 5, 9, 1 minus 1, 0 and 1 as it is. So what is the height of Minal? We can say that the height of Minal is 109 centimeter. Now we have to find out the total height of both of them. So we have to do the addition. For that, again draw one table, one side centimeter, another side statement. Then after write down the height of Suresh. Here they were telling total height of both of them. That's why we have to do plus. Plus what we have to do? The height of her sister. The height of Minal. So plus 109. Now 4 plus 9, 13. 3, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3 and 1 plus 1, 2. So we can say that the total height of Minal and Suresh is 233 centimeter. So we can say that therefore total height of both of them is 233 centimeter, or we can say 2 meter and 33 centimeter. Let us see one another. Sunil is going to Ahmedabad, 25 km far from a place. It means Sunil is somewhere and from that place he is going to Ahmedabad. And from that place to the distance of Ahmedabad is 25 km. And Naren is also going to Mehsana, 45 km far away from the same place. So here in this question, Sunil and Naren, these both are on the same place. From that place, The Ahmedabad is 25 km far away and Mehsana is 45 km far away. Both are going to in opposite direction. They both are going in opposite direction. They are not going on the same direction. If Sunil goes east, then Naren goes west. Like this, they were going opposite direction. What is the total distance from Ahmedabad to Mehsana? So let us see. Draw one table, one side kilometer and statement. Then 25 kilometer. Sunil runs to one direction and 45 kilometer. Naren runs to another direction, or we can say other direction. So the addition of this both, 5 plus 5 10, 0, 1 carry, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So the total distance between Ahmedabad to Mehsana is 70 kilometer. Let us see another. A tailor used 6 meter 50 centimeter cloth to stitch a coat. If the tailor wants to stitch one coat, then he used 6 meter and 50 centimeter cloth. How much total cloth should he need to stitch 5 such coat? Now, how many coats he wants to be stitch? 5 coats. So, whenever in the word problem, they were given two different lengths of unit. At that time, you have to first convert that all units in a one unit only. So first we convert 6 meter and 50 centimeter. 6 meter becomes 600 centimeter plus 50 centimeter is equal to 650 centimeter. After that we have to use unitary method, because from the one cloth, coat of one cloth, we have to find out 5 such coats. Therefore, first we have to write down cot and we have to find out the centimeter for the 5 cot. Therefore, centimeter we have to write down on right hand side. Clothes need for one cloth is 650 centimeter. So, clothes need for to stitch 5 cot is equal to question mark. The number which written in the cross, do the multiplication, and the number which is remaining, that we have to write down in the division. So in this you have to do the multiplication of 650 multiplied by 5 divided by 1. So do the multiplication of 650 multiplied by 5, it becomes 3250 centimeter. So we can say that a tailor needs total cloth to stitch 5 cot is 3250 centimeter, or we can say 32 meter and 50 centimeter. Let us see one another. A tailor has 18 meter 80 centimeter cloth. He needs 2 meter and 25 centimeter to stitch a shirt. It means if he wants to stitch one shirt, then he used 2 meter and 25 centimeter cloth. If he stitches 6 shirts, then how much cloth will be left over? So in this, first we have to convert clothes. measurement into centimeter. So we have to convert 2 meter and 25 centimeter. So 2 meter becomes a 200 centimeter and 25 centimeter. 200 centimeter plus 25 centimeter is equal to 225 centimeter. If tailor wants to stitch one shirt, then he used 225 centimeter cloth. Now how many shirts he stitched? He stitched 6 shirts. So how many clothes he needs? Let us find out by unitary method. Shirt, there were given 2 times. That's why we have to write down shirt. And we have to find out their centimeter. So we have to write down centimeter on another side. For the one shirt, he used 225 centimeter. So for the 6 shirt, how many clothes he need? The number which return in the cross, do the multiplication, and the number which is remaining, just write down in the division. So do the multiplication of 225 multiplied by 6 divided by 1. So the multiplication of this both is 1350 centimeter, or we can say that 13 meter and 50 centimeter. Out of the total clothes, what is the total cloth? 18 meter and 80 centimeter. He used only 13 meter and 50 centimeter. So how much cloth will be left over? So in this we have to do the subtraction. Draw one table, meter, centimeter, and the statement. 18 meter and 80 centimeter. A tailor has a cloth, means we can say that the total measurement of that cloth. From this he used 13 meter and 50 centimeter. So what is the remaining cloth? 5 meter and 30 centimeter. That is the leftover. So after stitching 6 shirt, 530 centimeter, or we can say that 5 meter and 30 centimeter cloth will be left over. Let us see one another. In this I am giving one table to you. So the table given below shows that the details of the students who obtained first and second position in high jump and in the long jump in a sports day of a school. Answer the following question on its basis. So in this sports, below the sport, 2 activities are there: high jump and low jump. After that, they were given the winners of boys with their measurement, and after that winners of girls with their measurement. So your first question, whose long jump is very close to 6 meter? So in this you have to just see in long jump only. So the Shailesh measurement of long jump is 6 meter and 60 centimeter. That is bigger than 6 meter. Then the measurement of Ashwin is 6 meter and 43 centimeter. That is also bigger than 6 meter. So 2 is remaining in a girl. One is Jaya and second one is Lata. So Jaya's measurement for the long jump is 5 meter and 96 centimeter. It is close to 6 meter. And the measurement of Lata is also 5 meter and 88 centimeter. It is also close to 6 meter, but in our question they were asking very close. So from this Jaya and Lata, who is closer, who is nearer to 6 meter? So we can say Jaya. Jaya's long jump is very close to 6 meter. Now let us see another. whose high jump is very close to 2 meter. So in this also, which number, which measurement we have to write down? The measurement which is very close to 2 meter. We can't write down the number which is bigger than 2 meter. So just see in the high jump, the measurement of both boys is extend is far away from 2 meter. So in a girl, Daksha and Sneha, which one is very close to 2 meter? So we can say the measurement of Daksha is very close to 2 meter. Let us see another questions from the table. How many meters longer should Shailesh jump to reach 7 meter? What is the measurement of Shailesh's long jump? It is a 6 meter and 60 centimeter. If he wants to reach till 7 meter, then how many meters he should do long jump? Let us see from this. Here also we have to do the compare. So we have to do the subtraction. One side meter, centimeter and another side statement. 7 meter to reach the level. He wants to reach 7 meter. From this 7 meter subtract 6 meter and 60 centimeter. This is the length of his long jump. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 6. Is it not possible? So we have to borrow from 7. So it is a 6 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6, 4 and 6 minus 6, 0. So 40 centimeter. If he jumps 40 centimeter long, then he can reach till 7 meter. So therefore Shailesh should try 40 centimeter longer jump to reach 7 meter. Let us see one another question regarding this table. What is the difference between the jump of first winner in a high jump for boys and the jump for the second winner in a high jump for girls? In this they were asking the difference. So from this we know that we have to find out the difference, means we have to do the subtraction. But whose subtraction we have to do? So please be careful to read this one. First winner in a high jump. Who is the first winner in a high jump? Vinu. In a boys, it's a Vinu. So we have to write down one side meter, centimeter and statement. After that, we have to write down the high jump of first winner in a boys, that is the Vinu, and the measurement of Vinu is 2 meter and 25 centimeter. From this we have to subtract the jump of second winner in a girls. In a girl, who is the second winner? Sneha. So we have to subtract the Sneha's measurement, that is the 1 meter and 85 centimeter. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 8, is it not possible? So 2 becomes 12 and another 2 becomes 1. So the subtraction of this 225 minus 185 is 4040 centimeter. Therefore we can say that the difference between their high jump is 40 centimeter. Thank you all of you. I hope you all understand this all word problem very easily. So do more and more practice at your home. and complete your assignment. Thank you.